Hello everybody, this week's tech tip is going to be super short and sweet. A question we get asked all the time is, how do I record my screen? Sometimes people will buy expensive software or they'll download those free software that have limitations like how much time you can record your screen. Well, here's the good news. If you have Windows 10, and at this point you probably do, there is a free built-in screen recorder. So let's get started and show you how to do that.
All right, so this is actually a screenshot of what happens when you hit Windows G. This is up at the top is the Xbox game bar. And what we're going to be focusing on today is actually the capture widget. So the one right in the middle that looks like a camera, make sure that is selected, and that's going to pop up here in the top left. As you can see, the third one over is a little record button. So you can actually use this built-in screen recorder to record your screen as well as the audio in case you want to do a tutorial. I use this very often for training new employees, so that way it goes into our SOPs. It's a really, really nice built-in feature of Windows 10. Well, like I said, short and sweet. I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.